the bass player because I knew that he knew that I meant physical harm. And I have to say I was ugly about it. But he came out and hit us over the head with a bass. He was hitting us because I was going like this. Come on, buddy. And he kept going like this. And I would have been glad to take him on or his buddy Johnny. I don't care either one. And so consequently, I was taken out of the concert. I came here to openly cause dissent against the Sex Pistols because I believe negatively in what they're doing. And as far as I'm concerned, they're not worth killing.